Determiners. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English grammar class. I hope you are doing great. Today, we are going to learn a very useful topic, determiners. Dear students, if you understand determiners, your English sentences will become more natural and grammatically correct. Let's start. What are determiners? Determiners are words that come before a noun to tell us which person, place, thing, or how many or how much we are talking about. Formula. Determiner plus noun. Examples. This book is interesting. The boy is my friend. My pen is blue. Some students are absent. Many people like tea. Now, understand this. Without a determiner, many English sentences sound incomplete. For example, incorrect, I bought book. Correct, I bought a book. Types of determiners. 1. Articles. Articles are a and the. Examples. A cat is sleeping. An apple is healthy. The sun is shining. 2. Demonstratives. These point to specific people or things. This, that, these, those. Examples. This car is new. That house is beautiful. These flowers are fresh. Those birds are flying. 3. Possessive determiners. These show ownership. My, your, his, her, its, our, their. Examples. My bag is black. Her dress is beautiful. Our school is large. Their house is clean. 4. Distributive determiners. These refer to people or things one by one. Each, every, either, neither. Examples. Each student received a prize. Every child likes games. Either answer is correct. Neither boy was absent. 5. Interrogative determiners. These are used to ask questions. Which, what, whose. Examples. Which book is yours? What subject do you like? Whose bag is this? 6. Numbers as determiners. Examples. One student answered. 5 books are on the table. First prize was amazing. Now let's solve some examples. Identify the determiner. The teacher explained the lesson. Answer, the. My brother is a doctor. Answer, my. These shoes are expensive. Answer, these. Common mistakes. Incorrect, she bought apple. Correct, she bought an apple. Incorrect, these book is interesting. Correct, this book is interesting. Next, let's learn about quantifiers. Quantifiers. Introduction. Dear students, now we will study quantifiers. They help us tell the quantity or amount of something. We use quantifiers every day while speaking and writing English. Let's begin. What are quantifiers? Quantifiers are words that tell us how much or how many of something there is. Formula. Quantifier plus noun. Examples. Many students are in the class. Much water is needed. Some children are playing. Few people understood the lesson. Little milk is left. Now, understand the difference. How many? Used with countable nouns. Examples. Many books, few students, several cars, a few friends. How much? Used with uncountable nouns. Examples. Much water, little sugar, a little milk, enough money. Common quantifiers. Some. I have some friends. There is some juice. Any. Do you have any questions? I don't have any money. Many. Many people attended the meeting. Much. There isn't much time. Few. Few students were absent. A few. A few boys helped me. Little. There is little water in the bottle. A little. I need a little sugar. Several. Several teachers attended the meeting. Enough. We have enough food. All. All students passed the exam. Most. Most people like music. Now let's solve some examples. Many birds are flying. Quantifier, many. There is little water. Quantifier, little. She has some books. Quantifier, some. We have enough chairs. Quantifier, enough. Few people knew the answer. Quantifier, few. Common mistakes. Incorrect, much students came. Correct, many students came. Incorrect, many water is wasted. Correct, much water is wasted. Today, we learned about determiners and quantifiers with definitions, rules, examples, common mistakes, and exercises. Practice these topics by making your own sentences every day. The more you practice, the more confident you will become in English. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.